All right, guys, we had a very successful day with the indicator that I want to show you. I'm just going to keep sharing this stuff because we made this now so simple, because before you had to just watch the charts all the time and try to find these plays. Thank goodness for great coders, because this thing is insane. I'm going to tell you a little brief about the strategy. The strategy has an insane win ratio, over 90% if you do it right. What we're going to do is you draw daily support levels. You will have to do that manually. Daily support levels, daily resistance levels, and we're catching trend reversals. So if price goes down really fast, we look for support for price to go up. But we're going to use the band strategy. This is one of my most favorite day trading strategies. We're going to use the band strategy and find precise entries. Like, check this out. With this indicators right in here, we have the upper and lower. These are your Keltner channels. These are where you can see where price gets overextended, right? To the downside or the upside. If you look at, let's look at some plays we traded today. We took Upstart. This was a very fabulous trade here. We took Upstart when it was down in this region here. You see how these arrows start coming up at extreme areas, and we'll also have things like these X's. Just because it touches this band doesn't mean you get in. It means it's very oversold for sure, but we don't just get in, because if it was that easy trading, you make millions. But what we do is we draw our support line, which was literally at this level here on that daily support. I go live in the Discord, and I do that every time for you guys. So if you have struggle doing that. But as you can see, these start to pop up. We took this entry in the Discord, and look at this monster V-shape up we had. Awesome, awesome, awesome trade, right? We took Chewy. Chewy was a great trade in the beginning too. Chewy had a very good support zone that came down. And as you can see right here, we're actually popping signals right now. You see these numbers here? We look for 20. Basically what these numbers mean is anytime price has not touched these EMA 10, let me refresh this. When price has not touched the EMA 10 on a 1 minute time frame, it gives you a number. Not hitting the EMA 10 in 20 minutes is very long. So you can see it'll give you these numbers, and that's basically price not touching this EMA 10. So when you look at Chewy, would you take it right off the bat? No, you started getting the number 20 down in this area here. And then you had massive daily support. And then look, literally in our Discord, people took this trade. But it's awesome. You will see all these come up, and I'm telling you, you're going to win a massive amount of trades. Draw your daily support and resistance lines, and it's really awesome. Definitely join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Get locked in. Only $12 a month.